Hi, I'm Kate with For the Love, and today I'm going to teach you about the air sound in our Learning to Read program. Now, many programs do not count the air sound as a sound, but I think it is helpful to learn so that you can more quickly read more words. The letters A, I, R can make the air sound in words. I'm going to read you some words, and I want you to point to the letters making the air sound. Chair, hair, stairs. EAR can also make the air sound in words. I will read the words. You point to the letters making the air sounds in the words. Bear, pear, tear. ARE can also make the air sound in words. As I read the words, point to the letters making the air sound. Hair, mare, scared. ERE can also make the air sound. Point to the letters making the air sound in each word. There, where, nowhere. ERR can also make the air sound in words. Point to the letters making the air sound in each word. Berries, terrier. AR can also make the air sound in words. Point to the letters making the air sound in words. Scary, canary. ER can also make the air sound in words. Point to the letters making the air sound in the words. Stereo, heron. Now I'm going to show you some trigraphs, digraphs, and letters. I want you to say the sound each makes. I'll give you about 2 seconds to say the sound, and then I will say the sound so you can check your work. Air, 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 air. R or air. Or air. Er, er, A or a. E or e. I or I. Now I'm going to show you some words. You have about 5 seconds to read each word, and then I will read the word so you can check your work. Fair, stare, where, bear, very. Great job! You can practice with this video as many times as you need to master this sound. For more reading resources, go to www.teachingforthelove.com.